Hey, people can do that. So I just watched the Shane Dawson video, and then after that, I looked at more suggestions, and then I saw Shane Dawson birthday parody, and the champ made a response video saying he sucks, and I want to make a response video. So tell him this: Shane Dawson rocks. Look at you, boy. Saying that he doesn't rock. Look at you. You only got 327 subscribers. He got 1 million. Okay, you need to stop hating. Who cares if you do not like him? Everybody else do. Because you need to stop right now. Please stop right now. Look at your crooked teeth. Look how you showing your ass. Boy, you ain't got nothing. You need to put that shirt back on.
Oh! Whoa!
And guess what? Ain't nobody like you. You act like you are that, but you ain't. Now, look at this video and make a response to it again.